Hi everyone! This time, i-discuss naman natin ang Introduction to Arithmetic Sequence. Ano nga ba ang arithmetic sequence? Sabi sa definition, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference between the consecutive terms are equal. Sabi daw, the difference between the consecutive terms are equal. Recall natin, pag sinabing difference, ito yung answer sa subtraction. Pag sinabi namang consecutive terms, ibig sabihin magkakasunod na terms. So, masasabi lang daw natin na ang sequence ay arithmetic kung the difference between the consecutive terms ay equal. In symbol, we have a sub 1 or the first term, a sub 2 or the second term, a sub 3, a sub 4, until a sub n is an arithmetic sequence, and a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to a sub 3 minus a sub 2, which is equal to a sub 4 minus a sub 3, which is also equal to a sub n minus a sub n minus 1, which is also equal, all of this are also equal to d. Ano nga ba yung d? Pag sinabing d, the number d is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. So, para mas maintindihan natin ang arithmetic sequence, let us have some examples. Let us have the first example. We have to tell whether the sequence below is arithmetic or not. First one is 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, and so on. Kung babalikan natin yung lesson natin nung nakaraan, yung ating first lesson which is generating patterns, ang unang ginagawa natin doon ay investigate. So, itry natin gamitin yung dati nating proseso. Investigate natin yung given. From 3, papuntang 7, tayo ay nag-add ng 4. From 7, papuntang 11, tayo ay nag-add pa rin ng 4. From 11, papuntang 15, tayo ay nag-add pa rin ng 4. From 15, papuntang 19, tayo ay nag-add ng 4. And from 19, papuntang 23, tayo ay nag-add ng 4. So, ano ang napapansin ninyo dito sa mga numbers na ito? Ano kaya ang meron? Yes, sila ay pare-parehas na nag-a-add ng 4. Ang tawag dyan sa mga number na yan ay common difference. So, ano yung number na common sa kanila? That is 4. Therefore, ang common difference ay 4. Okay, so dahil may common difference tayo, we can say that since the sequence has common difference, which is 4, then it is an arithmetic sequence. Nakukuha ba? Yes. So, ito ay unang paraan ng pag-solve. And this is based on our first lesson, which is patterns and sequences. Meron tayong isa pang paraan, which I think easier. Let's see. Let us use the same example. 3 hanggang 23 pa rin. So, sabi kanina sa definition, meron daw dapat na common difference para maging arithmetic sequence. Alright, let us see this one. We have 7 and 3. Yung 7 and 3, ipagmaminus natin. A sub 2 minus A sub 1 daw. Ma'am, bakit po ipagmaminus? Okay, balikan natin. Ang sabi dapat may common difference. At ang ibig sabihin ng difference ay answer sa subtraction. Therefore, we have to subtract. So, we are going to subtract what? The consecutive terms. Ano-ano ba yung mga consecutive terms? Yung magkakasunod. So, yung magkasunod na 3 at 7, ipagmaminus natin. Uunahin natin yung second term bago yung first term. So, we have A sub 2 minus A sub 1. Ano ba ang ating A sub 2? 7. Good. Ano naman ang ating A sub 1? 3. So, 7 minus 3, we have 4. Okay, let us have the second step. So, kanina, A sub 2 minus A sub 1, ngayon naman, ito daw. we have a sub 3 minus a sub 2 naman. Ano ba ang ating a sub 3? 11. Ano ang ating a sub 2? 7. And 11 minus 7, we have 4. Okay, proceed tayo sa susunod pang terms. We have 15 and 11. So, we have a sub 4 minus a sub 3. Ang a sub 4 ay 15. Ang a sub 3 ay 11. So, 15 minus 11, we have 4. Okay, let us have one more. Meron naman tayong fifth term. So, we have a sub 5 minus a sub 4. Ang a sub 5 ay 19. Ang a sub 4 ay 15. So, 19 minus 15, we have 4. Now, ano yung napansin ninyo dito sa mga answer natin? Yes, sila ay pare-parehas. So, ang tawag sa kanila ay common difference. Ma'am, bakit common difference ang tawag? Itong 4 ay sagot nung pinag-minus natin. Itong mga 4 na to ay difference. Then, lahat sila ay pare-parehas. Another term for pare-parehas is common. Therefore, these are common differences. So, kung isa lang yan, so we have the common difference. Nakukuha po? And, base sa definition kanina, pag may common difference, arithmetic sequence. Now, since the sequence has common difference, which is 4, then it is an arithmetic sequence. Nakukuha po? Okay, proceed tayo sa ating second example. We have negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, negative 12, and negative 15. Let us follow yung second procedure natin, which is, I think is easier. Okay, ma'am, negative na po yan. Okay lang yan. Kahit negative yan, same pa rin tayo ng procedure. Ang unang step ay, i-consider natin yung second term minus first term. So, ang second term natin ay negative 6. Ang first term natin ay negative 3. Negative 6 minus negative 3. Oops! Baka nakakalimutan ng integers. Paano nga ba ang integers ulit? Dahil nagma-minus tayo ng negative, then, ang rule natin is we have to change the sign and make it addition. So, kunwari, or assume natin na naaalala nyo ang integers. So, negative 3, ito ay magiging plus na, plus 3, then we will have negative 3. Okay, let's have one more. Try naman natin yung a sub 3 minus a sub 2. Ang a sub 3 ay negative 9. Ang a sub 2 ay negative 6. So, negative 9 minus negative 6, we have negative 3. One more. Ito namang fourth term. So, we have a sub 4 minus a sub 3. A sub 4 natin is negative 12. A sub 3 natin is negative 9. So, negative 12 minus negative 9, we have negative 3. Isa pa. Let's have the fifth term. So, a sub 5 minus a sub 4. Ang a sub 5 natin ay 15. Negative 15 rather. Ang a sub 4 naman natin ay negative 12. So, negative 15 minus negative 12, we have negative 3. Okay, anong napapansin dito sa ating mga sagot? Sila ay pare-parehas or common. Therefore, sila ay mako-consider nating common difference. And since the sequence has common difference, which is negative 3, then it is an arithmetic sequence. Nakukuha po? Okay, proceed tayo sa ating third example. We have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Same procedure tayo. We have a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Ang a sub 2 natin ay 4. Ang a sub 1 natin ay 2. So, 4 minus 2, we have 2. Next, we have the third term. So, we will have a sub 3 minus a sub 2. Ang a sub 3 natin ay 8. Ang a sub 2 natin ay 4. So, 8 minus 4, we have 4. Next, proceed tayo. 16. That is our fourth term. So, we have a sub 4 minus a sub 3. Ang a sub 4 natin ay 16. Ang a sub 3 natin ay 8. So, 16 minus 8, we have 8. Last, we have fifth term. So, we have a sub 5 minus a sub 4. Ang a sub 5 ay 32. Ang a sub 4 ay 16. So, 32 minus 16, we have 16. And, ano ang napapansin dito sa ating mga sagot? Oops! Hindi na sila pare-parehas. Therefore, hindi natin sila masasabing common difference. We can say that there is no common difference. At dahil dyan, since the sequence does not have a common difference, then it is not an arithmetic sequence. Nakukuha po? Okay, let us proceed with our fourth and last example. Ay, ma'am, ay decimal na po yan. Okay lang yan. Same procedure. We have 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and so on. Okay, so proceed tayo sa ating procedure. We have the second term minus the first term. Ang second term ay 1.5. Ang first term ay 1. So, 1.5 minus 1, recall natin ang subtraction ng decimals, we will have 0.5. Then, proceed tayo sa third term. So, we have a sub 3 minus a sub 2. Ang a sub 3 ay 2. Ang a sub 2 ay 1.5. So, 2 minus 1.5, we have 0.5. Okay. Third, so we have the fourth term. So we have a sub 4 minus a sub 3. Ang a sub 4 ay 2.5. Ang a sub 3 ay 2. So 2.5 minus 2, we have 0.5. Next, last, we have this one. So fifth term, a sub 5 minus a sub 4. Ang a sub 5 ay 3. Ang a sub 4 ay 2.5. So, 3 minus 2.5, we have 0.5. 3.5 minus 3, ganun pa rin naman. Okay, ano ang napapansin? Alright, pare-pares na naman sila. Therefore, we have a common difference. Dahil dyan, since the sequence has a common difference, which is 0.5, then it is an arithmetic sequence. Nakukuha po ba? Okay, let us sum it up. So, remember lang na ang sequence ay masasabi nating arithmetic sequence kapag may common difference. At paano malalaman ang common difference? Ipagsasubtract lang natin yung mga consecutive terms at yung sagot, pag pinag-subtract natin yung mga terms, dapat pare-parehas. Kapag pare-parehas ang ating difference, then we have the common difference. And again, pag meron tayong common difference, then we can say that the sequence is arithmetic sequence. Nakukuha po ba? Nawa ay naintindihan. Salamat po sa inyong panunood at pakikinig. Thank you so much!